On today's menu, an easy drink you can make and take with you, Chia Fresca.
If you're really busy, you can still make this incredible drink and be on the go.
Coconut.
This stuff I can eat literally like candy. Just pour in that amazing coconut water. Now to demeat the coconuts, it's actually easier than you think. Just take your spoon and just slot it in between the shell and the meat. And just go all the way around the coconut. With a little patience, it'll actually come out in a big piece.
Rinse your coconut meat in cold water.
Just gonna take a small piece of this coconut meat and just gonna make a little bit of a coconut jelly in our drink.
Lime. Cane sugar. Chia seeds, coconut water,
Give it a bit of a shake, and that is literally it. Make this ahead of time, keep it in the fridge, it'll be ready for you in the morning.
a drink so easy and so delicious.